Hello guys, my name is Deez Nutz. It has been over 4 years since I last made a video for you. And as you all know, this has been because my Windows computer was broken. Now I know many of you have tried to help me, but unfortunately, it didn't work. But today, we are back with a new video because as you can see, it is gone. So, what I am going to show you is very nice to have. So, imagine you want to play Riot Client Services. I will not name the game it is, because you should not play it. But you don't want to go to this folder all the time. So what you can do is you can right click and then you can say create shortcut. Now you can place this shortcut on your desktop. And now whenever you want to open it, you can just click here. Also, don't be scared of this guy, it's just for music. Okay guys, thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.